Hello and good night. Welcome to another bedtime story. This story is meant to help you sleep or to relax your mind. Try and find a comfortable place, such as your bed or a soft chair. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes now. Try and let go of the day as we begin our tale. Tonight's story is The Princess and the Frog. Once upon a time, in the beautiful kingdom of Maldonia, there lived a charming prince named Naveen. He had bright eyes and a wonderful smile, but he was cursed by a wicked sorcerer named Dr. Facilier. One day, while walking in the forest, the evil magician turned Naveen into a small green frog. Naveen hopped around sadly. "Oh, what will I do now?" he sighed. "I must find someone who can help me break this spell." He remembered an old legend that said a true love's kiss could break any curse. But who would kiss a frog? In a nearby town, there lived a hard-working girl named Tiana. She dreamed of opening her own restaurant one day. One afternoon, while searching for ingredients in the forest, she stumbled upon the little frog. "Hello there, little frog. Why do you look so sad?" Tiana asked. "I am Prince Naveen," the frog replied, "and I need your help. If you kiss me, I will turn back into a prince." Tiana thought for a moment. A kiss? But you're just a frog. However, she felt sorry for him and wanted to help. With a deep breath, she leaned down and kissed the tiny frog. To Tiana's surprise, nothing happened. Instead of transforming Naveen back into a prince, she felt a strange tingle in her lips. Suddenly, she looked down and gasped, "Oh no, I've turned into a frog too." Naveen blinked his big eyes in shock. "Now we are both frogs," he exclaimed. They both hopped around, confused and worried. "What will we do now? We need to find Dr. Facilier to break this spell." Together, Tiana and Naveen set off on an adventure through the lush green forest. They met many friendly animals who offered to help them. A wise old owl said, "You must find Dr. Facilier and ask him to reverse the spell, but be careful. He is very tricky." As they hopped along, Tiana and Naveen learned to work together. Tiana used her quick thinking, while Naveen showed her how to leap from lily pad to lily pad. They laughed and enjoyed their time as frogs, but Tiana still dreamed of being human again. Finally, they reached Dr. Facilier's dark lair. It was filled with strange potions and shadows. "What do you want, little frogs?" the sorcerer chuckled, appearing from the shadows. "We want you to turn us back into humans," Tiana said. Dr. Facilier grinned. "You think it will be that easy? There's a price to pay." He waved his magic wand, and a cloud of smoke surrounded them. "You must prove that you truly care for each other." Tiana and Naveen looked at each other, unsure of what to do. But then they remembered how much fun they had together and how they helped each other. With a smile, Tiana said, "We are friends. We will always help one another." Dr. Facilier paused and then laughed. "Very well. Since you have shown true friendship, I will break the spell. With a wave of his wand, he transformed them back into humans. Tiana and Naveen cheered with joy. "Thank you," they shouted together. They realized that their adventure had brought them closer, and they had become the best of friends. From that day on, Tiana opened her restaurant with Naveen by her side. They often shared stories of their magical adventures as frogs, and they lived happily ever after, always remembering the importance of friendship and believing in each other. And so, the tale of Princess Tiana and Prince Naveen became a beloved story in the Kingdom of Maldonia, reminding everyone that true love and friendship can conquer any challenge. The end. Thank you for listening to this bedtime story. I hope you enjoyed the tale tonight. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more audiobooks and tales to come. Until next time.